हेलो गाइस। आज हम आ चुके हैं प्रगति मैदान बुक फेयर 2026 में। यहाँ आज हम कवर करेंगे बहुत अच्छा स्टॉल जिसका नाम है हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो यहाँ पर एक आत्मन है, ये बताएंगे कि यहाँ पर इनके पास बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक कौन सी है, और अगर बच्चों को पेरेंट्स लाते हैं यहाँ पर तो कौन सी ऐसी एंगेजिंग एक्टिविटीज़ आपके पास है जो दिखा सकते हैं उनको, जो वो परचेज कर सकते हैं अपने किड्स के लिए।
Sure. So, hi everybody. My name is Atman. I'm from Hello Friend Books. So, we're the largest exporters of children's-based paper products out of India, and our USP is that from the design to the manufacturing, everything's handled in-house, and we have around 30,000 different formats that we do. So, in one line, what I'd say is we're probably the only paper manufacturing company in India which can provide you different formats and different variety and full customization in terms of everything that you want. Coming to your question, in terms of what parents come here when they first see us, a lot of our books are just not basic books. We go way beyond that. For a kid, the most important thing these days is to reduce screen time, and
Yes.
that's what our books are focused on. We focus on playable aspects included inside a book, which can keep the kid engaged for like multiple hours. So if you can see from something that was a basic coloring book earlier would then be turned into like a nice pop-up book or a lifter flap format, which would then engage the kid, create curiosity, and help in cognitive development as well. And in terms of some of the other basic formats that we do, we have puzzles, activity books, coloring books, activity kits, DIY kits, and more of those. So basically, anything to do with paper.
Can you please show us?
Sure.
Yeah.
So in terms of the newer formats that I was telling you about, imagine like a basic board book that you have. So we add like a playable
Okay.
aspect to it with like flaps, with like putting flaps around them so that the kid
This is
can
very good. Actually, this is very good.
and
It's and
then
it's also very engaging too.
for like basic school maths or whatever, the next which we came out with was this. Basically came out with a pull, so the kid can pull this down with and then guess in terms of like the different characters that are there. Then again, when you think of puzzles, you probably just think of basic puzzles, but what we did was we incorporated them into a book. So you have the puzzle pieces here that come out. So essentially it's
Oh,
like a
that's very
storybook
nice.
going along with like puzzles inside. And similarly we also have more of these funky formats with like googly eyes, where you can get more of where you can like engage your kid for a longer time. You just move on here, you have some of the basic. These are for like kids between 0 to 4, where it's all your my first hundreds, my first words, my first animals, and everything.
Anything more unique you have?
Yes, I can. So again, when it comes to all of these kind of kits, the kind of designs and the kind of blister artworks that you see, we've proprietary these designs, so no one else in India has the same thing.
Very
It's about
nice.
adding engagement to a thing, right? So for example, say I have like an activity book, an activity pad. It's all about value addition these days, and like even throughout the fair when I've been walking, the main thing that I've heard parents say to their kids is, you have a lot of variety, you have a lot of things. So it's very easy for me to just create a book, but then again, to add value to it, probably create a nice box, put like pens, flashcards inside it.
Everything combined in this only.
Yes,
For a
essentially.
kid,
It's like an all in one kind
everything
of a
you can
product.
get in this pack for a kid. You don't have to buy anything else like pencils अलग से या पेन अलग से लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. You get everything in this box only. Okay.
Then if we come around here, we have more such activity kits. These are different kind of sketch pens, and then here we have shaped erasers, which are in the form of the title that we're doing. So if it's like a mermaid one, you'd have mermaid ones around. Similarly for space. Then another good format that's doing well these days are these sound books. So you basically have like 5 click, 1 click, single click sound books. And then again, when it comes to this, once any publishing house has a basic grip over like one sound book, that's when you can bring in innovation into it. And
And what is this? This press button? What is
again,
it?
you just press and it reads out the story, or it makes like the noise of the animal and everything.
Okay, that is
So
also a good idea.
similarly, when it comes to that, again, as I said, when it comes to innovation, once you've got the design down, then it's super easy for us to create newer formats. So for example, when it's something like this, it's like a very boy oriented book where you have like a wheel here as well, and then you have different colors. So here you can imitate the sound of a car crash. This is a horn. This is a car revving up. That's a normal switch ignition on. That's a brake.
Basically, it is for sounds.
For sounds,
How
yes. For
how a
like
child can evaluate the sound of car.
correct, yes. And I
Okay.
mean, similarly, when it comes to this, you also have a guitar book, and where you can do this, the guitar will play according to whichever sound that you need.
That is good.
Then if we come here, we've again this is another new format. So basic formats that people do is they'll have a search and find. And when it comes to ours, is you have a wipe and clean pen here, which is completely reusable. So you can take out this pen, use it, and then rub it whenever you want. Then you have a lens here. The special lens, when you put it through this, the object underneath it gets revealed. So the kid can basically tick it using these.
Okay.
So it's like an activity inside
It
a
is a
book.
good activity for engaging kids. Very nice.
This is one of again what brings in innovation into our book. So
Oh
this is like
wow.
a pop-up book with like facts about space and everything, and then you have all these engaging pop-ups. So again, this is all months of trial and error R&D which my team does in terms of like visiting all the fairs and everything, and then trying to come up with like
Very
a
good
viable
innovation is
product.
this. It is really appreciable that you are doing a very good work. Basically, kids का क्या है? Parents wanted कि screen time हटाओ भाई
Correct.
हटाओ. They are
Correct.
not at all leaving the phones.
Correct.
But with these type of engaging activities, they will definitely. I am sure that they will
Yeah.
leave the phone and engage in this.
100%. I mean, that's the main goal of like all
True.
the books and everything that we do is
Very
to
engaging books.
again this is a basic pop-up book that we have where it's kind of coming to life, and then you have a really nice story going along here as well.
It is good for reading also.
Yes.
It will enhance their reading also.
Reading yes, correct.
And also they'll evaluate all everything that is in the image shown over here. Nice.
Similarly to this is a new format which we've come out with. So this is a toy. You put this inside water and it grows up to 200%. And then along with that, so this is the value addition in the book, and then you have a story going inside it as compared to the different toys that you have.
Nice.
So again, when you've got the basics down of printing and publishing, after that it's very easy to create new formats and then come out with innovative ideas, which again, as you said, would keep a child engaged, reduce screen time, and help in like cognitive development and everything.
Anything you have like shloka book or recitation
Yes.
books or mantra book for kids?
So these are newest series we've come out with, the only Indian publishers who have these kind of series. So this is a shlokas and mantras book where you have 10 shloks of all the of these 10 gods here, and then inside you have the shloks written. Similarly, here
It
we
is a
have
sound book.
it's a sound book, correct?
Okay.
So you will press this, and then you will have the whole Hanuman Chalisa being recited
Very
here
very
inside
nice.
this.
Very nice.
And similarly, we have one for Krishna, Hanuman, and Ganesha as well. And then another book which we've done is the Shlokas and Mantras activity book. So the first page that you would open, there'd be stickers, and then inside you have like engaging activities which can help teach kids about like Hindu mythology.
Okay.
So we're the only Indian publishers who've come out with this. With
This
these
is a
kind of
very unique
books.
idea.
Yes. And then again,
Connecting kids with mythology also.
100%. I mean, that was our main goal. Considering, I mean, of course, the main crux to stepping into school is, of course, you learn about other things or whatever. But Hindu mythology is a point which is usually left out during
You are
school.
also promoting Hinduism with this. I also say
And
you
then
like this.
again, more basic stories. Another sound book that we have here. So this is a 30-click sound book where each of these separate letters would then play out in terms of the sound, and then you have the same wipe and clean marker pen. So again, just the basic idea of once I've got the basic innovation down, I can put this here, I can put this here and create a new format.
Nice.
So for me, I've been blessed with a very good R&D team who visit all these fairs around the world, be it your Bologna's or Frankfurt's or whatever, and they can go around, window shop, and then come back with a lot of new ideas that everything that we do. So in terms of that, that's why innovation is easier. and once you have a good team around you, it's super easy in
Right.
like our industry to come out with newer things.
You have your brand somewhere else also, from where
Yes.
our viewers can purchase?
Yes, so we're available on Blinkit, Amazon, FirstCry, Meesho, Zepto, Instamart, everything, and we also have our own website, which is hellofriendbooks.com, and we also sell through probably your nearest kids bookstore as well.
मैं अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स को हेलो फ्रेंड्स ज़रूर रिकमेंड करूँगी। यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे इनोवेटिव बुक्स हैं बच्चों के लिए, और मैं आप लोगों को भी यही बोलती हूँ कि आप लोग अपने फ्रेंड्स और रिलेटिव्स के साथ इनके स्टोर पर विजिट कर सकते हैं। आपको नियरेस्ट बुक स्टोर पे भी इनका मिल जाएगा हेलो फ्रेंड्स का, और आपको ब्लिंकिट, अमेज़न पर भी हेलो फ्रेंड्स अवेलेबल है, तो ज़रूर विजिट कीजिए।